Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll explore the AntBrowser and its range of functionalities. Let's get started. AntBrowser is a specialized anti-detection browser crafted to manage multiple accounts simultaneously while ensuring user anonymity. It's particularly favored by professionals who handle numerous profiles, including those in marketing, social media management, and testing. This browser is designed to streamline complex tasks and enhance productivity in fields that require high levels of privacy and security. Let's explore the main advantages of AntBrowser. Teamwork capabilities with a rollback function for data by checkpoints. Fingerprint configuration to simulate unique devices. Secure storage of profiles in the cloud with accessibility from other devices. Bulk management and synchronization of browser profiles. A simple and intuitive interface. Next, let's examine the AntBrowser tariff plans in more detail. The trial plan is available immediately upon registration, free of charge and valid for 24 hours. This plan offers sufficient functionality to get acquainted with the anti-detect features and supports the creation of up to 2 browser profiles. Next, the Pro plan includes all functionalities available in the trial version, plus numerous advanced features. These enhancements include a transaction log, professional support by real people, an advanced proxy checker, and team statistics. A key feature of the Pro tariff is the ability to fully customize and manage up to 10,000 profiles. The cost of this plan varies based on the number of profiles. Additionally, AntBrowser offers discounts ranging from 10% to 50% when tariffs are purchased for an extended period. Moving on to the AntBrowser interface. Upon launch, you'll see a list of your created profiles. The browser offers options for both single profile creation using the New Profile button and mass profile creation with the Mass Creation feature. Here you can specify the desired number of profiles and adjust additional settings, after which the profiles will be instantly created. Let's go through the steps to create a new single profile in AntBrowser. Start by deciding if your profile will be a desktop or mobile device. Name your profile and group it for easier management. The first order of business is setting up a proxy server. For a detailed proxy setup, click the annotation on your screen. Below you can also adjust the time zone and language settings, which can be set manually or automatically. Specify your browser's start page and add any relevant status updates or notes to your profile. In the Additionally section, you can tweak the user agent settings to suit your needs. Choose from the operating systems like Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, and macOS 10, and pick a browser: Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge, Yandex, or Safari. Customize your screen resolution to ensure everything looks just right. Dive into settings for Canvas, WebGL, and audio. Fine-tune WebRTC settings, specify IP address, and manage geolocation either automatically or by manually setting latitude and longitude. Select fonts for your digital fingerprint. Set the number of processor cores and RAM, and adjust audio device settings. Add headers and blockers as needed. Choose a color for your profile to simplify navigation. Prepare the profile for operation with autofill settings, ensuring quick access to frequently used sites. Below you can download any necessary extensions to enhance functionality. Lastly, add bookmarks for the URLs you'll need for work, saving them for personal or team use. Once created, this profile can be edited, cloned, and transferred to other users at any time, providing flexibility and control over your digital environment. Let's move on to the browser's various tabs and their functionalities. In the My Proxy tab, you can add either a single proxy server or a list of proxies in the browser-supported format and include headers for easy identification. My Headers allows you to set tasks that warm up profiles by automatically visiting specified websites to collect cookies, enhancing profile authenticity. Over in My Extensions, you can manage and add extensions that augment the browser's capabilities. My User Agents lets you preload user agent templates for varied browsing experiences across new profiles. In My Interlocks, create blockers to disable unnecessary scripts like JavaScript, images, or CSS files, reducing traffic consumption when using residential proxies. Just specify a name, rule, and page URL to set these up. My Journal offers the ability to view and restore team user actions from the last 7 days, invaluable for recovering lost profiles and files. My Team is where you can form a user group, displaying a team code at the top of the interface for new members to join and allowing managers to assign access rights. Available in the Pro plan. My Payments records the entire history of financial transactions on the account. My Bookmarks enables you to preload URLs for quick access when creating new profiles. Bonuses and promo codes is the place to activate special offers through codes provided by the administration. Finally, the Affiliate Program section offers insights into the browser's referral program, allowing users to earn by attracting new customers. At the top of the browser interface, you'll find several additional pages for enhanced support and resources. These include a FAQ section for quick answers to common questions and a Support 24/7 page that allows you to contact the support team directly via Telegram. You also have the option to download Browser for the latest version and explore the Have an Idea section for submitting feedback and read through reviews to see user experiences. In the News section, stay updated with the latest browser developments and changelog details. Adjacent to this, the My License item allows you to manage your browser subscription effectively. For personalization, the interface supports multiple languages including Russian, Ukrainian, English, Chinese, Spanish, German, Turkish, and Japanese. You can also toggle between a light and dark theme to suit your visual preference. Located at the bottom of the interface is the Recycle bin, where deleted profiles are stored. Files in the Recycle bin can be restored within 48 hours of deletion, otherwise they will be permanently removed. This setup ensures you have essential tools and options readily accessible, enhancing your browsing experience and management capabilities. After exploring the browser, it's clear that it greatly simplifies the management of multiple accounts. It's equipped with unique features like action rollback, automatic page warming, and blockers, all of which enhance usability. This browser is well suited for both individual users and teams, thanks to its versatile tariff system that lets you select the number of profiles based on your specific needs. For those interested in testing its capabilities, there is a free tariff available, making it easy to experience the browser's functionality firsthand. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.